A suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word, altering its part of speech. For instance, adding able to a verb like laugh transforms it into the adjective laughable. Both able and Ible mean can be done or capable of being. Can you think of another verb that can be changed this way? Both able and Ible suffixes mean can be done or capable of being, transforming verbs into adjectives. For instance, break becomes breakable, meaning it can be broken, while reverse becomes reversible, meaning it can be reversed. The suffix able is more common and friendly, whereas Ible is special and unique. The suffix able transforms base words into adjectives indicating can be done. For instance, breakable means it can be broken, and noticeable means it can be noticed. Most able words derive from complete base words. Consider which able word best describes your favorite toy: washable, movable, bendable, or portable. Words ending in ible, like collapsible and reversible, also mean can be done, and often derive from Latin roots. For example, digestible means it can be broken down easily, not eaten quickly. While less common than able words, both suffixes convey the same meaning of capability. When adding able or Ible, there are no sound clues. Drop the E from words like dispose to form disposable. Change I to I in words like certify to make certifiable. Some words like force become forcible by dropping E and adding Ible. Practice is key to mastering these changes. Examine each word to determine if it takes the suffix able or Ible. For example, advisable and noticeable use, able, while credible and tangible use, Ible. Remember, there are no sound clues, so practice is essential to mastering these suffixes. High-frequency words like touch, practice, and business appear frequently in texts and often defy regular spelling patterns. These words are crucial for fluency, as the 100 most common words constitute about 50% of our reading. Engage with these words by using them in sentences to enhance familiarity and understanding. Suffixes like able and Ible transform word meanings and parts of speech, both implying can be done. Key spelling rules include dropping E and changing Y to I. Mastery requires practice, as there are no sound clues to distinguish them. Examples include breakable, noticeable, reversible, and forcible.